PV High is exceptional on all levels, and our academics are no exception.
PV High is thriving academically in so many different ways. Our standardized test scores in math were 25% above the state average. In English, we were 40% higher than the state average. And then in science, we were more than double the state average. One of the big advantages that PVI has is we have so many different AP classes. We have 32 different AP classes. What that allows our students to do is really take classes of rigor in areas where they excel. We were 18% higher than the national average in AP scores.
Palos Verdes High School offers the AP Capstone program. So it's a college level research course. The first year we offer AP Capstone Seminar, where students learn research skills, they learn group work skills. The second year, that's AP Capstone Research. Students create their own research project, and they also do an oral defense at the end of the year. Both courses are offered as 7th period.
If you're interested in taking a college level class, but we don't offer it here at PV High, take a look into our amazing dual enrollment program.
We have a partnership with LA Harbor College in which high school students can take college level classes and receive weighted credit, and you can show your future university that you are capable of taking college level classes. We offer a couple of different classes every year. This semester we're offering film appreciation, abnormal psychology, business law.
To me, the dual enrollment business program was a great way to immerse myself into something that I would want to do in the future.
To manage rigorous classes, our AVID program is here to help.
AVID stands for Advancement via Individual Determination. Students are in the same group for all 4 years. They're with the same teacher. AVID is kind of that big umbrella that goes over everything for academics and helping students become the best student they can possibly be.
Alongside AVID, our block schedule can help to make classes a little bit more manageable.
Our block schedule means that you meet with 3 teachers a day for 2 hours for each class period.
One of the biggest benefits as a science teacher is that we get to talk about content in the beginning of class, and then we can actually go into the lab and put into practice what we just taught the students.
The CCC is the College Career Center. So clearly we're a resource here to our students for everything college as well as career. We are so fortunate to attract well over 100 colleges every year. That gives our students the opportunity to make one-on-one connections with the college admission reps who will read their applications.
With all the amazing things our students and staff do, it's hard to recognize them for all of it. Luckily, the Blue Ribbon Award does just that.
So the Blue Ribbon Award is actually from the Department of Education. It is the highest national award a school can get, recognizing their academic performance, the things that are happening here at PV High, what makes us special. We were one of only 6 high schools in the state of California that received the honor this year.
PV High has proven, year after year, to be one of the most academically competitive schools in the nation. I'm honored to be a part of such a focused and successful school, and I know we would be thrilled to have you carry on our Seeking legacy. For Live from 205, I'm Ryan Andrews.